Alright, this is the Merritt 2404. I needed to buy this cover plate because that was missing when the machine came in. And you can see there's a ton of rust on the hook below the bobbin case area. So I need to get in and clean that out. To do that, I'm going to just leave it in the machine because it's belt driven on a pulley. And I don't want to try and get that pulley off. It's also got rust around the edge of the hook, so I don't know if I'll be able to get in here with the Dremel and clean that without removing these two brackets that help hold the bobbin case in place. But yeah, we'll do some cleaning on that, and I will have to take the top off the machine and oil it and replace the bobbin tire as well. But the cover came in. Alright, that is much cleaner in there. I polished it up with a Dremel and added a bit of oil and wiped it very thoroughly and cleaned it out with a clean rag, and now that should be in good order to use again for the hook area. So we will try that out in a little bit, but first we need to open up the top of the machine and oil the rest of it. Alright, so this Merritt 2404 has a lid here and changeable cams, and it appears there are 3 screws holding the top on. There are actually 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, but this one I think just holds the bobbin winder into this lid. So I'm going to take these 3 screws out and see if it comes up, or if Alright, and the 3 screws are 2 of the 3 screws are the same length. Alright. All 3 of the screws in this lid are the same length, but this one from the middle here is corroded from the dirt that was in there. Nope, that 4th screw is holding something. Alright. I thought because it wasn't inset that it might be attaching something differently, but 4 screws. There's the spring for the lid. And oh, that screw does go into the bobbin winding mechanism. This tire is old and hard, so I'm going to see about if it... it does just pop off the bottom there. Alright, so I'll be able to put a fresh tire on without having to get this winder off, because I think this nut here is driven into the body in a way that's going to be challenging to remove it if we don't have to. So, but you can see the flat from where somebody left it parked against the wheel. And it's all hard. But this machine has nylon gears in the top. But there's plenty of... Okay. But it's got all the common oiling locations identifiable, and because of the way this cover works, I can oil the top pretty easily here without too much trouble. So I'm not gonna have to pop the end cover off, I don't think, because this machine is working really nice. Aside from being a little dirty, let's check the hand wheel clutch is working just fine, so we don't have to pop that off. There. And it appears there's plenty of grease left on all of those gears from when it was assembled, and the grease appears to be in good shape, so just need to get a tire out and pop that on the bottom of the bobbin winder. Alright, new tire, just get under there. What do I have that I can... There. Oh, come on. Okay, now holds that. Alright, I gotta find some more hooks to lift that up with.